student, welcome to my YouTube channel ARUN'S Biology. Today I am going to explain you another important topic of photosynthesis in higher plant, that is light reaction, which is also the part of plant physiology. Actually the light reaction is also known as photophosphorylation. Photosphorylation. Actually, light reaction is a light dependent process which takes place in thylakoid of chloroplast. It is light dependent process proceed in thylakoid of the chloroplast. And what is the meaning of photophosphorylation? Actually, first of all, we have to know that what is phosphorylation exactly. When we know about the phosphorylation, then we will go to discuss about photophosphorylation. Phosphorylation is the process in which formation of ATP in presence of ADP and 1-phosphate, or you can say that formation of ATP takes place with the help of ADP and 1-phosphate. The process is called phosphorylation. The process of formation of ATP from ADP and 1-phosphate is known as phosphorylation. Here it is known as photophosphorylation because it is light dependent process. The process taken place in presence of sunlight, that's why you can say that it is the process of photophosphorylation. Here the formation of ATP takes place. In case of light reaction, ATP plus NADPH2 formed, which is also called assimilatory power. Assimilatory power. It is the light dependent process in which as a product ATP and NADPH2 takes place, called assimilatory power. Photophosphorylation means when the process of phosphorylation takes place in presence of sunlight, it is called photophosphorylation. Now we will see that light reaction or photophosphorylation is divided into two parts, that is non-cyclic photophosphorylation and cyclic photophosphorylation. There is two part of light reaction, that is non-cyclic photophosphorylation and cyclic photophosphorylation. So first of all we have to discuss about non-cyclic photophosphorylation. It is non-cyclic photophosphorylation and also known as Z scheme. Why it is called Z scheme, we will see afterward. First of all, we have to draw the diagram of it or the cyclic manner. First of all, here chlorophyll A, which is known as reaction center, accessory pigments or another pigment molecules, along with PS second, that means photosystem second, and it is about 680 nanometer. Here first of all, the light ray incident or photon incident on reaction center, that is chlorophyll A, along with accessory pigment or another pigment molecule, which become in excited state. Here it become in excited state, reveal pair of electron, and this pair of electron accepted by primary electron acceptor. The pair of electron here accepted by the primary electron acceptor, then it moves, the pair of electron here moves to PQ, that is plastoquinone. After that, it further moves to cytochrome, pair of electron here move toward the cytochrome, that is CY, and then goes to PC, that is plastocyanin. The pair of electron here also move towards the plastocyanin, then electron pair accepted by again the reaction center, that is chlorophyll A, along with another pigment molecule. These are the accessory pigment around the reaction center or the chlorophyll A. Here PS first, that is 700 nanometer is present. Now the electron pair comes from plastocyanin, then goes to chlorophyll A. Here again the pair of electron after excitement goes to primary electron acceptor, or you can say that the electron pair again here in PS first accepted by primary electron acceptor with the help of PS first, then it moves towards, the pair of electron here move towards FD, that is ferridoxin. Now it moves towards and form NADP plus. After that we will see that here at inner membrane of thylakoid, at inner membrane of thylakoid splitting of water takes place. Splitting of water takes place, or you can see that the process of photolysis, taken place at the inner membrane of thylakoid. It broken down into 2 electron along with 2H plus ion and oxygen as a byproduct revealed at the inner membrane of thylakoid, which gives the oxygen as a byproduct which used by organism. Now 2H plus ion here goes to outer membrane of thylakoid, that is outer membrane of thylakoid, 2H plus ion, and here NADPH plus 2H plus ion form NADPH2. NADPH2 is also called reducing power. It is also known as reducing power. Here the 2H plus ion combined with NADP plus coming from ferredoxin, and it combined to form NADPH2, that is reducing power, at the outer membrane of thylakoid. While the splitting of water, or you can say that the photolysis of water takes place at the inner membrane of thylakoid and reveal oxygen as a byproduct which is utilizes in living organism for the physiological activities. At outer membrane, here the NADPH2 formation takes place in presence of enzyme NADP reductase. In presence of NADP reductase, the process of formation of reducing power, that is NADPH2, takes place in non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The abbreviation used for PQ, CY and FD are here, that is PQ is plastoquinone, CY represent cytochrome, PC represent plastocyanin, while in case of FD, that is ferredoxin. Now again I am repeating the process, that is, first of all, in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the chlorophyll A reaction center, after incident of photon or the light, this surfaces in exciting stage which reveal the pair of electron accepted by primary electron acceptor. Afterward, pair of electron goes to the plastoquinone, and then after it goes to the cytochrome. Here the process, that is phosphorylation, ADP plus 1 phosphate gives ATP, or you can say that the process of phosphorylation takes place at the surface of cytochrome. Then pair of electron goes to the plastocyanin, then it goes to chlorophyll A again, that is reaction center at PS first of 700 nanometer, that is photosystem first. Now the pair of electron again reveal, then accepted by the primary electron acceptor, and it goes to the ferridoxin. Then NADP plus formation takes place, while the 2H plus ion coming from photolysis of the water at the inner membrane of thylakoid, it combined with NADP plus to form NADPH2, that is reducing power, or you can say that the process of formation of reducing power or NADPH2 taken place at the outer membrane of the thylakoid, while the photolysis or the splitting of water where oxygen as a byproduct reveal takes place in inner membrane of thylakoid. It is called non-cyclic photophosphorylation because here electron which is revealed from the reaction center do not come back, or you can say that the process in which electron revealed from the reaction center does not come back again to the reaction center, that is chlorophyll A. That's why it is non-cyclic photophosphorylation, and the process in which it is look like in Z manner, or you can say that due to presence of Z-like manner, the process is called Z scheme. It is also called Z scheme. And the question arises from here, how many photosystems are involved in such kind of the process? So here both the photosystem, that is photosystem second and photosystem first, are involved. Another question is also arises from here, what is the exact site of phosphorylation? In this case the site is cytochrome for the phosphorylation. Or you can say that another question from here, what is reducing power or where it is formed? Reducing power is NADPH2, which is formed at the outer membrane of thylakoid. The splitting of water taken place at the inner membrane of thylakoid. It is all about the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Now we will discuss about cyclic photophosphorylation in next segment.